deeply honored with your presence at this Investiture Ceremony for the recipients of the 2016 honors and awards. I wish to extend my sincere apologies that we had to defer the ceremony from December last year due to an act of nature. A tropical depression was upon Fiji, and it was considered prudent that we place the safety and the welfare of our people as our utmost priority. On Monday this week, we held a commemoration service to remember those who lost their lives in the wake of Tropical Cyclone Winston, exactly a year ago. I mentioned in my national address that in commemorating the first anniversary of one of the most romantic days in Fijian history, we should also express our gratitude to Almighty God for sparing much of our nation, and especially those areas on which our economy depends. We should also celebrate the Fijian spirit of caring and the many friends we have in the world. Today is another opportunity to celebrate distinguished and eminent services, the bravery of our fellow Fijians and our friends from abroad for their selfless contribution to our beloved nation. During my own investiture as the Chancellor of the Order of Fiji last year, I publicly expressed my commitment to cultivate a culture of appreciation, to complement the significant transformation and modernization that Fiji experienced in the past decade and continues to experience. Government projects that we will this year achieve the longest period of sustained economic growth since our independence in 1970. This equates to 8 years of consecutive growth. This equates when our economy performs well, our people's socioeconomic status and standard of living improve. Our education, health and supporting infrastructure, among other things, will also improve. It is the people behind our national growth that I want to acknowledge. These are people in both the private and public sectors, in the urban and rural communities. I want to ensure that the nation recognizes all the individuals who give selflessly of their time and resources to help Fiji develop at the community, national and international level. I want to ensure that people who put their lives on the line, some of whom have made the ultimate sacrifice, are recognized. Our records reveal that Fiji has granted national honors to about 613 individuals since the Honors and Awards Act was established in 1995. This works out to an average of about 29 individuals in a year over the past 21 years. With a population of about 869,458 as of December 2015, this equates to an average of about 0.003% per year. Theoretically, if we were to apply the Pareto principle or the 80-20 rule, law of the vital few, where 20% of the population may be considered to be the main drivers of community and national development, it will appear that our level of recognition still needs to be pumped up. To recognize outstanding meritorious achievement and act as an incentive for greater contribution from the general population. Our records also reveal that there is a need to recognize more females, as they constitute only 27% of total recipients so far. Ladies and gentlemen, the Order of Fiji was instituted to recognize merit and achievement by citizens of Fiji, and occasionally as honorary appointments by non-citizens. The recognition is made across the whole range of human endeavor and achievement, including but not limited to government and the civil service, local body administration, industry, diplomacy, health, education, law, the arts, sport, religion, the news media, environment, youth development, charity, and indeed, including all other areas in which service to Fiji is identified. In the effort to make good my commitment to nurturing a culture of appreciation, I asked the Fiji College of Honor to review our approach to recognizing our people. The college members, together with the Secretariat, embarked on a publicity campaign to invite a wide cross-section of our communities to submit nominations for the national honors and awards. Additionally, with concurrence of the Honourable Prime Minister and the Fiji College of Honor, we extended the closing date on 2 occasions. The first was to enable Fiji's first Summer Olympic medal winners to be considered, and the second to allow more time for members of the public to make submissions. We were and are encouraged by other developed countries, many of which recognize hundreds and up to thousands of their citizens annually. Singapore, for instance, is among the latter. One only needs to look at how they recognize and reward meritorious achievement to understand the reasons why they continue to perform so exceptionally well. It should not be a surprise to learn that these countries believe in the concept that when you reward a good deed, more good will follow. There will be a natural flow-on effect. In fact, my military background, and especially my exposure to numerous life-threatening situations, is driving my desire to recognize those who sacrifice their lives, their time and resources to transform Fiji into a modern and progressive nation. For 2016 Honours Roll, I am pleased to announce that we have been able to achieve part of our aim to recognize and appreciate more Fijian citizens and non-citizens who have contributed significantly to our nation's development. Many will do so on the quiet achievements behind the scenes. We will be recognizing about 76 individuals in the General Division of the 2016 Honours List. As you may all be aware, about 19 were players and officials of our National Sevens Olympic gold medal team. They were awarded in August last year. Ladies and gentlemen, I now wish to acknowledge and congratulate certain individuals who have been part of Fiji's journey towards recognizing outstanding individuals. I wish to thank 3 members of Fiji College of Honor: Mr. Bazunif, who has served in the college since inauguration and who became the chairman of the last 4 years, and Ms. Mary Chapman, Mrs. Raj Pati Kewal, who both served 1 and 2 terms respectively. Thank you very much for your contributions to enhancing the aims and objectives of the Fiji College of Honor. I also wish to welcome the new members of the college, including Mrs. Pramila Kumar, Mr. Nesbitt Hazelman, and Brigadier General Kuti Kusinga. They are joining Dr. Konisi Konrote and Mr. Dickinsito, and I thank you all for taking up the challenge to join me in further actually and cultivating a cultural appreciation for our nation. All the nominators who have gone out of your way to identify our recipients today, you have contributed to sharing our vision of nurturing a culture of appreciation, and I thank you most sincerely for your efforts. I congratulate and commend recipients 2016 Honours Award. Thank you for your selfless service in your respective fields of endeavor to Fiji and their people. Today should be a proud moment not only for you, but also for your families and the nation as a whole. Almighty God continue to bless you all and bless our beloved Fiji. Asalamu alaikum, Dhanyavad, Shukriya, Sheshe, Thank you.